According to the Government Information Agency, GINA, the East Demerara Water Conservancy area, which is prone to flooding, will get a $3 million financial aid to help the flood risk management capacity. This agreement caters for the rehabilitation of the Kanya Canal, which is an important intervention which addresses the issue of climate change and means that farmers and residents will be less likely to be affected. A World Bank representative explains.
Happy to be here for this signing because this project is extremely helpful and useful in our view for Guyana. As you all know probably too well, your susceptibility to climate risk is unfortunately high, especially in the coastal areas. And therefore, the rehabilitation of the canal is a very, very laudable endeavor that the government is embarking upon with us and that we are extremely happy to support. It's helpful not only because it's supporting economic growth, but also it has potential macro impact, and of course it's extremely helpful for the well-being of the population. This is because, as you know, in these coastal areas, a lot of the population lives.
The Kanya Canal Rehabilitation Project is aimed at reducing environmental risks by putting systems in place to ensure waterways are conserved for the preservation of all livelihood. Minister of Finance Winston Jordan, commenting on the agreement, said it represents one small call in the way for a greener economy.
See this project in several ways. One, from the standpoint of this new government, it represents one small cog in the wheel of greening our economy. Yes, we are all susceptible to climate changes in various ways. In Guyana's case, one of it is flooding, right? Due largely to our low-lying coast. And unfortunately, because of the history of our development, a significant majority of our people lie on this very coast. And so while we look at longer-term options, we need to bring immediate relief to the citizens and businesses and property and so on, who will be here for quite a long time in the foreseeable future.
According to GINA, the rehabilitation to the Kanya Canal will increase its discharge capacity, reducing the risk of embankment overtopping and flooding of areas along the east bank of Demerara. The proposed physical works will see the widening of the canal, rehabilitation of the former outlet structure, rerouting the canal to re-establish the original alignment, and building a bridge on the east bank of Demerara Public Road where the canal intercepts the road. Basil